Welcome to all. So today we will go with a basic commands here. So first we will learn about a ls command. So ls command is using to list your files or directories in Linux operating system, and this command will work all the flavors, either might be Unix flavor, Mac, or any flavor, Linux, Unix. Okay. So ls, if you see, we can see any help using a man is a command that you need to remember it ls. So here list directory contents it will show, and having a others arguments also. So important arguments we will learn in this lecture here. Okay, so simply we do ls. So right now here I'm able to see this file, and let me go some other directory. So I'm using a cd command. Cd is using to change a directory. So suppose if I want to change a directory slash temp. Okay, so okay, and if I do ls, and you can see I have these files. So I don't know which files or which directories. Okay, so how we can check it? We can check in a details using a l. So l means long listing. Okay, so hyphen l is a arguments. Okay, so using a long list format here. Okay, so here this is the argument here. Okay, so okay, so hyphen l is using for a long listing format, same as like example you means as a Windows operating system you will get all the things in a details. Here also you will get all the things in a details when I'm using this command. Okay, so I'm using ls hyphen l. So now you can see here. Okay, so here we can if you want to recognize, so here d means you can see d means directory. Okay, and if you're getting a l means soft link, same as like a desktop shortcut. Okay, and if you are get a first hyphen, so first word, so it means it is your file. Okay, and if we are getting a dot. Okay, so dot means hidden files. Okay, so I will show you hidden files as well also. So let me show you cd and ls hyphen l. You have seen I'm able to get only one single file when I'm using a means all files. So it will show us a hidden. So dot means hidden files. So dot means that those files or directories, these are the files. We can create a directories as well also. Okay, so here we have only files, and hyphen is here. It means these are a file but hidden files. So a means all, it will show, and here you will get a detailing, and these are the permissions we'll learn in coming lectures. Okay, about these permissions. And here you will get a root, and actually it is your username and it is your group name. Both are same, don't be confused. Both are, it is creating a same naming convention in username and same naming convention in group. Okay, root, and here you will get, this is a size of the file. Size of file, you are able to see size of a file, and this is the date. Okay, and okay, so let me go in again cd slash temp. I'm changing in a directory here ls hyphen lrt. Okay, so I have used r. So for ls hyphen l, let me make a r means reverse order. Okay, and reverse order, so you can see the order changed here. Okay, yum, vmware, and sys and k. Okay, so right now if you want to suppose want to do a short using a time modification, then I can use a t means time modification. So you can see which so suppose if I created this file which is the latest file, it will show like that. So you can see the timestamp here, so all are fab 13, so you are not able to see. Let me create any file. I'm using a touch command, and the touch command is using to create an empty file. So I'm creating abc, and let me do ls hyphen l. ls hyphen l. Now you can see by default a k s v by. Okay, but if you want to make it all these right now by default, it will give you A to Z, A to Z. Okay, so A, K, S, V, Y. If you want to make in a Z to A, then make a R. R means reverse order. Reverse order. Okay, so you can short a reverse order. Okay, let me short a reverse order. Now you can see it goes to opposite. Now you can see reverse order. Earlier it was this order, now it's this order. Okay, but my main motive to reverse be the time modification. So T is using for a time modification, short by a time modification. I want be the time modification which is created early. Okay, so which is created newest file. Okay, so I'm using a ls-lrt. So this command mostly we are using. So you can see time modification, it's giving me a here, so ls-lrt. So here it's showing me a VMware here. Okay, I have so right now its timestamp is not giving me a here, maybe because here it's using a VMware. I think something changed in these files. So what I will do, I will go inside a I will go inside a slash root cd, and I will go to a here home directory. Okay, and ls-lrt, and let me create a any file here, touch and abc, and okay, so you can see how is it came here. Both are a same. Okay, and okay, ls-l. Now I can see abc came above, but if I use a lrt, so a reverse time modification, this file is giving me above. Actually, it's weird. So here, actually, why this is came as like a weird here experience. Actually, when I check it now, so you can see here, the date is this anaconda cfg file. I used the state command. It will give me the explain history more, and you get a file and size, and you can say access time and the modification is 837. But right now, when it has been installed, when it created this file, installed operating system. Okay, that time. Okay, so it has taken that time this time, and now it's taking a less time, actually 327. It is the incorrect time. That was the reason when I'm using a ls-lrt, it's giving me a this file, because it's time modification, it's giving me a correct here. Okay, so that was the reason here. And let me create a more files, so I will show you the example here. Let me create more files. Okay, so now touch, and let me make a AA here. Now let me short it now, ls hyphen ls hyphen l. Now you can see abc, and here so a is came here, you can see, and if I make it a lr, so you can see here aa, so abc must be in a last, right, because we have created uh, last. Okay, so now you can see abc and AA. Now these two files are coming correct here. Okay, after ABC, I am able to get this AA, which is I have created right now recently. So that was the reason we can do a we can make a reverse time modification. Okay, and if I make any changing in here in a conda.cfg, let me make any changing here and here. Okay, now let me do ls-lrt. So here, and let me make any other file here, dd and ls hyphen l, and okay, so dd, so it is alphabet, it's just shorting me rt. So dd will came here, and let me make it touch and cc, and ls-lrt. So C came here, and let me do a journal ls-l. So you can see C came here now. Okay, C here, and if I make in a reverse order, so you can see, how is it A C D, and here with I did a time modification. Now C came here. Okay, so touch command is using to create any empty files. It's creating any empty files. You can create any, you can give any name. Okay, so any file name you can give it. It create this file here. So you can see using a touch command here. Okay, and we can create a directory using a make directory command, and make directory and directory name. Okay, so directory one I'm creating. It's creating any empty directory. So make directory is the command we are using here. You can see if you want to recognize your directory and files, this here you can see directory one is giving this blue color. Okay, so this is the color here. Means we can identify using the color also which files and which are the directory. So if I make it a /etc, and you can see here, you will see, can easily to recognize with the color. These are directories. No need to see here also. Okay, well, this is the best way, but you can easily. And here it is a soft link. So color is changing here, and L comes in a picture here. Okay, so now you can see, just I'm showing you here. So here you are able to see soft link files as well as a normal files as well as a directories here. Okay, so let me go cd, and cd is using to change a directory. Let me change a directory temp here. Okay, and make directory, if I want to create a multiple directories in one shot, suppose slash home, sorry, right now where is I am. So we can check using a pwd command. Pwd command is using for present working directory, means your current location where you are. Suppose if I went somewhere, okay, and I want to check it where is I am. So /etc sysconfig present working directory. Okay, and when I make a cd enter, I will reach my home directory. Okay, home directory, whatever I'm there. Okay, where is I'm. Okay, so I can come back again my home directory here. Okay, so how you can know you are inside a home directory? In title is a sign. In title is sign. Okay, so it means I'm inside my home directory. If I'm using a pwd command, present working directory /root. Okay, and if I want to create a multiple directories like ab, inside ab I want to create out cd and fg, so it will not allow me. The reason is behind, because parent does not exist. Okay, so who is a parent? Let's understand a parent here first. Okay, so for fg, cd is a parent and it is a child. For this parent, it is a child and parent is a this one. It means, and for ab, who is a parent? Right now I'm inside a root, so root is exist. If I try to create a make directory ab, I'm able to create like dir and dir one. Firstly we did it, but once when I try to create, if I create a cd, I can't create because this parents is not available. So if you want to create all the directories in one shot, so automatically create the parent using a -p. -p is a command to create your parent directories as well also. Now you can see ls-l, and here you can see these here. So these are directories, so I can use a d means directories. Okay, so if you don't want to see the content, only you want to see the directory, so d is the argument. D is using for a directory. D will show the directory only. Okay, so d here. Okay, so here if I show you /temp, so what it show us? It show us a content inside a in this directory. What you want to see only directory related things only, not for others. So it will show you /temp, not for inside here, inside the content. Either here having a directory doesn't just you want to see only this directory information. So here you are able to, these are the permission for this slash temp, and okay, these are the, later we will learn about the permissions here. D means directory, so we can check using like that here. Okay, so and cd is a command to using to change directory. Suppose I am changing a directory in slash temp, and if I want to go some other directories, sysconfig and network hyphen script, so I can go like that, and I can go anywhere, switch the directory here. Okay, and if you want to come out one directory, so right now you can see I came here one etc directory sysconfig, and third one is a network script. I want to come out for one directory, so I need to use a dot means I need to come out from this directory here. Okay, now where I reached here on a sysconfig, and I want to come out from this directory. Where is I'm a slash etc. If I want to come out from here, now where is I'm slash, after that there is no come out. This is the last end, and you can see, and if you can see, these are the contents which we have learned in the second lectures, okay, about these directories here. Okay, and you can see you learned ls-lrt, you can see, you can do, and you can see the here about these directories here. Okay, in details here. Okay, and let me go cd, and let me go this directory again, and I want to go some other location, where and log. Okay, so right now I'm here. Suppose I want to switch between two directories back and forth, as like your remote tv, I can use a cd hyphen. Right now where is I'm inside a present working directory. I'm inside a ECC e/etc sysconfig network security, and if I again press it again, I'm reached here /var/log. Okay, so you can see back and forth, same as like in TV. I hope you have seen your childhood, and we can set a TV like 101 we are watching some movie, and 501 we are watching a news channel, so we can switch back and forth, right? So hyphen is a argument, so we can do back and forth. Okay, so like that we can go back and forth here. Okay, and if I press enter directly, so where I can reach my home directory in title is signed there. I can reach here my home directory here. Okay, so like that we can go here and there using. Okay, so now here using a here ls-la. So here the very this is the this is a question people will ask in a interview, and I have given an interview in Google. They asked me these meanings here. So what is the meaning of these here? Okay, so this is very important. So here, so it is very important, and the people, some people, they don't know about it actually. So it means your current location. Okay, so I will teach you when cp command. Suppose I want to copy cp, and so let's say I want to copy this abc file, and from somewhere, right? I'm suppose I want to copy inside a /temp/any file abc, where you want to copy. So don't need to give any path. Suppose if you want to copy in a current location, just mention dot, and it will copy it. Okay, and the double two dot here. So right now you have seen, if you make a double dot, what happened? You come out from current directory, come out from current directory, come out. Okay, you come out. Okay, and if you want to come out more directories with this dot dot, that's also possible. Let me produce this example with also cd/sys config network hyphen script. Okay, hyphen script here. So I want to come out from a here and one more directory. So where I will reach now, I can reach on here here. I come out from here. Now I reach here. Now here it means I will get /etc. Let's say, let me do a enter here. Okay, now you can see present working directory pwd/etc. Okay, now so now let's come again topic of ls command, which is very important. ls hyphen l I. I means it will show inode number. Okay, it will print the inode number here, and you can see. Let me go cd/temp here and ls hyphen lrt. And if you want to see the inode number, so inode number is very important actually. So what is the inode number? Let's understand as a layman example here. Okay, inode number regarding. So I'm just giving a layman example. Suppose you have a book. This is your book, and you have a line pages 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Okay, so so suppose you wrote a something here. Okay, in the first page you wrote something hi, or okay, and here you wrote a hello, any topic here. Okay, so suppose you fill it. Okay, I some pages might be don't write it, and you don't write it, but last 5 pages you have last pages you here bell. Okay, something you wrote it here, for example. Now so now I want to write one more page 101. Can I write in this book? No, because this it doesn't exist. Okay, doesn't exist, so I can't write any other. Okay, so what you did it here, you said your mom, now your book is over and I want to purchase a new book here. Okay, why? The reason is behind because you show the last 10 page and starting 10 page, and with other are empty pages. You made it empty pages. So same scenario, just as a layman I'm explaining here. So same things we try to understand in a hard disk way. So suppose we have created a partition, let's say slash home. Okay, so slash home, we get 100 inodes number. Let's say 100 inode number. So now we have created some empty files. This is an empty file we have created. This is an empty file here. So this file have a taken inodes number. Doesn't matter you have put data or not. That's your mistake. Yum.log it. But what happened? So if you created 100, suppose empty files abc.log you created. So what happened? Are you able to create a 101 file, 101 index number? No, because you have created all empty. There is no data. If you check the size of a disk, you will find out the size. You will find out the size. You will find out the size. Okay, but index number is out of range. Out of range index number. So this is a real problem comes in a pictures when you're working on a real production. Okay, and it is a this question will people will ask in the interview. Okay, so right now why it is a full? Because might be you have created some files empty. So what is the solution here? How you will create that nth number files now? How you need to delete these empty files or empty directories. Okay, empty directories, files or directories. So I need to delete it, then I can create it. So that is the solution here. Okay, so you can see I can show you here. Let me show you how I can check. Is using a like my PC. You are see in your Windows, same df space -h. Okay, and here if I make a I, you can see inode numbers. So you can see slash boot have a 470k inodes number, 447k. So 327 inode number has been used here, and here 55k inodes number. So this is a total. If you created a empty files, number of empty files, inode number always unique. Inode number always unique. You can if you create a that 477k, your size will be, now you can see du hyphen d. So here df space -h. Now you can see the size is 84 GB. 70% is using, and let me clear the screen. here. So now you can see slash boot 16% is using slash boot, but when I check the inode number, it show me 1% is using. So size is different and inode number is different. Okay, if you have created empty files and directory, you can make a full, but size you have, size is a different and inode number is a different.